What's up everybody? I'm Andre and this is Edible Fitness, the fitness you can eat. First of all, I just want to welcome all the new subscribers. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching the videos. Totally helps, totally makes me feel happy. Thank you. Today, we're making Japanese Ochazuke. Let's get started. If you've never heard of Ochazuke before, how do I break it down for you? It's basically like it's a very simple dish, a soup dish with steamed rice and fish. You can have it with like different little sides put on top of it. It's super easy, super delicious. It's usually with green tea, hence the word ocha. Ocha is green. Zuke, if I am not mistaken, my Japanese friends can correct me, but I think zuke means something like submerged. So basically it's rice with all these little extra ingredients submerged in a dashi or dashi broth or a green tea broth. We're doing the dashi broth today because it's super flavorful and super awesome. I'm gonna stop talking, let's get started. So I actually have almost all of the ingredients already prepared and ready to go. I am using salmon. This is salted salmon, so good. And yeah, excited to eat that. It smells amazing. I've got my steamed rice. It's not the rice I would normally use for this, but it's rice. Next, I have umeboshi. They're like plums. They're a little sour, they're squishy, they're awesome, salty as well. Have some nori, seaweed, wasabi, and sesame seeds. So now what we need to do is prepare the dashi broth. We're gonna go over to the stove. Hi, how are ya?
Hi, how are you?
All right, so I've got my pot. Now what I'm gonna do is add the water. I've got 2 cups of water here. And then I'm gonna add in my dashi powder. Dashi! Wunderbar. Next, I'm gonna add in the Mirin, and the soy sauce. I've turned this to medium high. I'm gonna let this do its thing. Once it starts to bubble, I'm gonna take it off the heat and it'll be ready to go. See, this is so easy, so quick and awesome. So yeah, all right, we'll let this bubble up and then we'll go on to the next. Totally don't need the teapot, but it looks cool. Let's combine everything, shall we? Told you that was easy, right? You don't have to go through all the fanfare. I just thought it was special. I'm very excited. I love this. It's such a simple, easy dish. It's so great. Love it. Well, this is even better than the last one I made. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already. Totally helps out the channel. And don't forget to leave a comment downstairs. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you always know when I upload new videos just like this one. Remember to love your food, love your life, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.